Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? It's Sparky Mark here, back to do a special review. And what you're looking at here, folks, is today I received this year package. Now, what is this? You can tell by the label, even though it is upside down, but if you can see it from this particular angle right here, it's Shout Factory. Yes, Shout Factory. That is part of their opposite label, Scream Factory. But before this, I'm going to tell you what is related, since now we're on the first day of February, of course, and it's my cousin's birthday, of course. He just turned 27 a month ago. Another buddy just turned 27. So yeah, but also, since we're in February, Black History Month is here, and Valentine's Day is coming. But for this, well, even though this came out last year, it's for the My Bloody Valentine, the original, not the 2009 with all that 3D stuff. The original, the OG, man, the OG slasher film of the early 80s. 1981, y'all. 1981. Of course, I did a mini review. I'll leave you the link in the description box down below. Of course, and I already showed you this. And with that, what's in here? Now let's unwrap. What is this? Oh my god. Yes, the Miner, My Bloody Valentine. Comes with the knife, the pickaxe, and then you have the Miner. Look at the sculpt. And of course you have the chocolate box, the heart-shaped chocolate box, which inside contains the heart of one of his victims. With that, let's take a look here in the back. Of course. Okay. A decade-old folk tale surrounding a deranged murderer killing those who celebrate Valentine's Day turns out to be true to legend when a group of defies the killer, when a group defies the villain, I would say, the killer's order, and people start turning up dead. Huh. Wow. So this is what it comes with. The heart, the chocolate shaped heart that comes with the heart, the pickaxe, the villain's cool choice, and I'm going to show you in a full-on position. So what this includes is the pickaxe, nail gun, and the candy heart, and the knife. I've already said knife. Let me just give you it from a different perspective. Alrighty, let me give it from a different perspective. So this is what it looks like, folks. You see that, folks? Of course, it does look familiar to you, folks. Give me a second. Oh, there. Sorry for that, folks. So this is what it looks like. There's more than one way to lose your heart. So yeah, and also let's take a look at the back. The same people who did the Friday 13s, the design of these Neca toys. Randy Falk, if I said his name right. Thomas Gwyn, the sculpt, tailoring, and the fabrications. Paint by John Wardell and Jeffrey Trapp. Prototypes by the True Cast Studios, and photography Stephen Mazurek, if I said his name right. And packaging done by Chris Raimo, if I said his name right. Raimo, if I said his name right. Done by Real Toys, distributed by Scream Factory under the label of Shout Factory, and done by Neca. And let's be clear, folks, look at the sculpt, the design, the look of the whole thing. And I believe that's where the nail gun is. It's somewhere in there. Can't even tell that the nail gun is in there. I'm not pretty sure, but I know it's somewhere in there. So this is the packaging. I'm not going to open too much. I might leave you a link in the description box down below for somebody doing the unboxing, but I am not opening this. That's what I do usually with all my NECA toys. I never open them. And just look at the design of how the villain is wearing that. And until the final, but like I said in my previous video, in each of the interviews that are here, all of them would say that they have received the script, but in the scripts that they received, they never tell who the villain is. The director, George Maholka, this is the director's name, here it is. Right, George Maholka, the director of this film, he never revealed the villain's identity until the final act of the film. And this is what you see in the back. Look how, from a different view angle. There we go. Pause that, folks, if you like that. And let's see the upper part. Yep. Just for the record, this is for collector's purposes. And I pre-ordered this almost around October after they announced this. You can still get it for now. I'm not sure. But, dude, this is awesome. Very good design. Very carefully. Very carefully. Mojo Jojo, ladies and gentlemen. But the design, the look, the aspects, this is how it looked in the film. And it's amazing. It's well thought out, sculpted, detailed to the fabrics, the weapons. I mean, seriously, folks. So I'll leave you a link in the description box down below for the Screen Factory, and also for my mini video review for the My Bloody Valentine, and also what else? So yeah, and among other things, of course. So anyways, shouts to the thing of our Screen Factory, the people at NECA. Shout outs to you all. And wow, and February's here. Wow, kudos, folks. And also get your hands on and for young generations out there, all you young bucks, B-U-C-K, that's for the word bucks. Try watching the original My Bloody Valentine. Don't watch the 2009 My Bloody Valentine. I didn't know there was an original, really, until I did my research, did some digging here and there. And yeah, I got into the original. So get your hands on it, like, right now. Yeah, get it right now. As well as for this figure, if any of you collectors out there would love to get your hands on one of these badasses. So anyways, this is, before signing off, y'all, shoutouts to the collectors of toys, to the toy collectors, the physical media collectors, autograph collectors, video game collectors, and what else? All you YouTubers out there and all the people out there, of course. So shoutouts to you all. And what else? So anyways, I'll leave you the links in the description box down below. So and also, this is Sparky Marky Mark, and signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Catch you all soon. Nighty night.